Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Browser. And today we're going to feed off my final plan blueprint. So here it is. So first of all, down here, wait, I have a tab. There you go. Here's the carbon monoxide detector. It's the same previous my feeders. And this entire part here's the board. Up there it's just my accent. Here's the heat detector. There. That's my heat detector. And that's just a wee mounting bracket for another smoke detector. Here's the surface mounting box. And this entire part of the fire alarm system was on the board. And that's my fire alarm panel. And here's the T-bar breaker. And that's the cold points. And there's another one. Hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and the notification button. Bye.